Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to turn on the spell check feature of Google Chrome. So let me just open up the Google Chrome first. So Google Chrome has a built-in spell checker that should be turned on by default. The dictionary is usually set to the language of your operating system, which is in most of the cases English. So let me show you one example of what this spell checker can do for you. So as you can see, this is one of my video and I'm just trying to edit the description. Now let's say I have to write username here and I make a mistake in writing username, and you can see that I am not getting any error or any kind of warning here because the spell check is off. Let me type something else. Let's say I want to write program, but I'm making a mistake in writing program like this. So there's no spell check as of now. I can type anything with a wrong spelling and I'm not getting any kind of warning here. Now to turn on the spell checker, all you have to do is click on this three dot menu icon, and then you have to scroll down and find this settings. Just click on that. Then on the left side you have to look for languages, which is here on the left tab, left panel. Now here you will find this option spell check, and if for any reason it is off, you just have to turn this on. So what Google is going to do, it's going to check for spelling errors when you type any kind of text on web pages, and I have kept it on basic spell check because in most of the cases that is enough. And since I use English language most of the time to write any kind of text, so I'm just using English. In case you want to use it for some other language, then you can add languages from here, and then you can search the language like this, and you can add those languages. Now once you add those languages here in the preferred languages setting, it's going to show up in the spell check automatically, so you can turn it on from here. Then after that you are going to get the spelling error warnings for the other languages as well. And then finally we have this customized spell check. Like for example, you are typing something, like you might be typing your own name and Google will keep showing it as an error. In that case you can write your own name and just add it, so then you are not going to get any warning for this word or your name. So that's how we work with the spell checker. Now once you turn on the spell check or the spelling checker, you can return back to the website where you were working before, and then you can check that you are going to get error something like this. It's going to show an warning that this spelling is not correct, and then you can just right click on that word and then choose the correct spelling. So that's how the spell checker is going to work for you. Now in case the spell check is not working for you, now let's see how we can fix that. The solution is very simple. All you need to do is just clear your cache and cookies. Now to do that, so you just have to click here on privacy and security. Alright, then scroll down and then you have to click here on clear browsing data. You can change the time range to all time. Now it's up to you what you want to delete. For me, I'm going to delete the browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Let's check out the advanced. From here I don't want to delete passwords, autofill data, site settings or hosted app data, so everything is fine. You just need to keep these three ticked like this and just click on clear data. So once you have cleared the cache and cookies, I hope the spell check is working for you, and if it is still not working for you, then the next step is to disable the extensions. Now to do that, you just have to click on this three dot menu icon and then click on this extensions and then click on manage extensions. Now here you will be shown all the extensions that are currently installed and active on your Google Chrome. Now what you can do is, if there's any extension that you don't use or you think is not needed for you, you can just turn it off like this. You can turn them off, or if you want you can remove them also, but it's better if you just turn them off if you are not sure what to do with them. Then after that, check again if your spell check is working for you. If it is still not working for you, then the last thing that you can do is check for malware or viruses on your computer. Now to do that, you just have to open the Windows security or any of the antivirus system that you are using, and then you can do a complete scan of your computer. So just do a complete full scan and then let the scan be completed. In case if there was any kind of virus or malware on your computer, Windows security is going to take care of them for you. And finally, the spell check will be working for you. And even if it doesn't work for you, then you can check for any updates which are available for Google Chrome or for your computer, and then do a quick restart and everything will be as good as new. So anyways, that's all for this video. I hope you were able to turn on the spell check and understand how it works. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.